Assalamu alaikum students, your English teacher Zahra Hashmi is here. I hope you all are happy and healthy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about pronouns. A pronoun can take the place of a noun. Do you remember what is a noun? Naming words are called nouns. So a pronoun can replace a noun. Let's learn how this happens. Look at the picture. A girl is reading a book. Let's say her name is Sarah. Sarah is reading a book. Sarah is a noun in this sentence. She is reading a book. She is a pronoun which has replaced Sarah, name of a girl. She is always used for a girl, one girl. Ali is riding a horse. Ali is noun in this sentence. He is riding a horse. He is a pronoun. He is always used for a boy. The apple is red. Apple is noun in this sentence. We can also write it is red. It is a pronoun which has replaced name of a thing. The elephant is big. Elephant is noun in this sentence. We can also write it is big. It is pronoun which has replaced name of an animal. So it either replaces the name of a thing or an animal. I is also a pronoun. We use I whenever we are talking about our very own self. We don't take our name usually. We say I. I have a dog. I like to ride my bicycle. I study in grade 1. We use pronouns all the time, don't we? You is also a pronoun. You are looking nice. You are happy. We use you whenever we are talking about someone else. A pronoun can take the place of more than one noun. Really, let's see. Ali and Fiza are playing. Ali and Fiza are noun in the sentence. They are playing. They is a pronoun which has replaced names of two persons. They can take the place of two or more than two persons. Sami, Sara, and Sana are coloring. Sami, Sara, and Sana are naming words, nouns, name of person in the sentence. They are coloring. They has replaced name of three persons in this sentence. So they replace the name of two or more than two person in a sentence. My brother and I are doing homework. We are doing homework. We is a pronoun which has replaced noun and a pronoun in this sentence. We is used whenever you are talking about yourself and someone else. So a we always have an I in it. A quick recap. She is used for a girl, he for a boy, I when you're referring to your very own self, it for a thing or an animal, you when you're talking about someone else, they replaces two or more than two persons, we when you're talking about yourself and someone else. Like if you are playing with your brother, you say we are playing. Let's practice. He is a good boy. Can you tell me the pronoun in this sentence? Yes, he. She is cooking food. Can you tell me the pronoun? She is the pronoun in this sentence. They are playing football. Guess the pronoun, please. They. Now, a small homework assignment for you. Color the pronoun blue. He is washing hand. They are running a race. I am sad. She has a doll. It is a dog. We are happy. You are angry. Please write down all these sentences on a piece of paper and color the pronoun blue. Can you do it for me? I hope you'll be able to do it easily. But if you find it difficult or if you have any questions that you want to discuss with me, please email me and I'll definitely get back to you. Have a great day.